Do you want to know how you can change the theme on QuillBot? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the theme on your QuillBot account. So let's go ahead and start with the video. The first step is to open any browser and go to QuillBot.com. The second step is to log into your account. After you have logged into your account, the third step is to click on your profile, which you see on the top right hand side of your screen. After you click it, you can see the mode over here. If you just click on this button, your theme will be changed. You can see that you are currently on dark mode. You can turn it to light by clicking on this once again. If this isn't available for you, just go ahead and click on account details and go to preferences. After you go to preferences, you can see the website theme over here. There are two options, light and dark. You can simply turn it to light or dark with a simple click of your mouse. So guys, this is how you change your theme on your QuillBot account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.